Hello and welcome to another episode of Vicki's Craft Show. I'm Vicki and today I'll be showing you how to make this watermelon. What you will need is some red clay, some green clay, and a toothpick. So first thing you want to do is you want to make your red clay into a ball and then squish it. And then get something that has texture and give texture on both sides. Squish it as big as you want. I want mine to be, I'm sorry, my camera fell. I want mine to be this big. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a pair of scissors that you don't mind dirtying with clay. Just going to show you that you don't mind making dirty with clay. Or if you have some clay scissors, I don't know if if they sell clay scissors or no. But you're just going to take some scissors that you don't mind dirtying. And you're going to cut it in the shape of a triangle, which I'm going to do right now. So, shape of a triangle. And you want to make your while you're squishing your clay, you want to make it pretty big, because when you cut it, it gets smaller. So yeah, you just want to make it a little bigger than you would want it. And this is my piece of bottom part. Ooh, and yeah, and so I just put that there, and then you're going to take your green clay, put it up in a ball. You're going to squish it like you did with the red clay. Squishing it. You can squish it with anything. You can put a piece of paper under it and squish it with the paper, or you can just squish it with your fingers, which I'm doing right now. Then you want to take your triangle. Check which side you want it to be the green part. You just eyeball it how much you want, or you can do this. You can do like that. And then just cut it so it's like the size that you want, or a little bit bigger. So I'm just cutting it right now. Sorry if you can't see this, because I'm looking back and forth at my camera. And then if it's ovalish, or it has a round place, just cut it so it's even. Not even, straight. And then And then what you want to do is you just want to take the top of your green and then just stick it on to your red, like this. So it looks like a watermelon. Now if you do have black clay, you can use black clay and make little dots to put them on them as the seeds. But if not, then I think that's a lot of work. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your toothpick. You're going to take your watermelon, and then you're just going to poke little holes in it. Just make them random. Just don't make them arranged. Ooh, my green part fell off. Don't make them arranged, because then it's not going to look like a watermelon. Don't make them 4 in each. Don't make rows and make 4 in each row. Make them random. It doesn't matter what clay you have. I have modeling clay, so I don't put it in the oven, and it's not air dry clay, so yeah. So here is my piece. Here's my watermelon. And now if you have polymer clay, put it in the oven. For how long? But if you have air dry clay, leave it for it to dry somewhere. If you have modeling clay, then you're done. So thank you for watching this episode of Vicki's Craft Show. See you next time on Vicki's Craft Show. Bye!